Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. Finally, after a while of inactivity of my channel, I can be able to explain you guys about this. Look at that. And the way that I did this is by creating a duplicate of this lantern. And as you can see, wait, let me just disable this. And as you can see right here, I have four types, four lantern of each side, except for this side for because of the camera on the CS. So I'm gonna explain you how I did the diffuse texture like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see this now. How I did this. See like this. Now I'm gonna explain you how can I did something like a diffuse texture and you know a reflection, a realistic reflection like RTX, but really it's not an RTX. It's just a a technique. So this is what I'm gonna show you guys. But first, let's make it right. So yeah, a bit easier to explain to you guys. So the way that I did is this. First thing first, all you need to do is by clicking this and duplicating it into the reflection side. Let me just hide this. How I did this is by oh man, I forgot how to do it because I did this months ago. So I'm so sorry guys if I didn't remember how I did this, but I'm so sorry about my explanation. It's a bit weird. It's a bit absurd. I'm so sorry. This is what I can do so far. I'm using English language for better understanding, so I don't make another subtitle for each country that are watching my channel. So just on to the point, man. Nah, if you want to do like this exact same graphics view like this, if you want to do something like this, really looks like this, it's very simple. Yeah, it's very simple, but you need to play around with the depth of, I mean, render depth. Yeah, render depth here on this side is also different render depth. I didn't remember how I did this, but I hope you guys know what I mean, and you can try this by yourself, and I hope you got the result. And from here, I set a random number that can do stuff like this. Yeah, and then the reason why the fuse texture looks like this is because this point length, this point light, and if I close this, you will see the difference, right? See the difference. Unlike the other side looks very realistic, and the other side that are just off this point light is aren't realistic because once we open it and then it's realistic. And the properties, the point light, so you can maybe try this yourself, or maybe you can download the projects file in the description so you can try it yourself and learn it more about this technique. I'm so sorry my English language is not as good while I'm thinking. My English language is good, but while I'm speaking it's a bit weird. I don't know why, but you got the point, right? The block here, to make it invisible, okay, you need to set it on glow. I forgot where is glow. Right here. Yeah. Like this. Not glow. It's not. It's not glow. Hold up. Hold up. If I press glow. Oh, I see. So you don't need to manually click this glow on lighting default object blocks like glowstone, lantern, etc. because it automatically glow. Yeah, but this is more glow than the other side. You can see the difference. Yeah. Oh, there's no difference. Oh, anyway, this middle point light right here. Let's just press it. As you can see, it gives much different. Let's see on the camera view, like this. And while it's on, it's emitting the light around it. Look, it's a bit darker and unrealistic. And while we click it on, it's reflecting. It's like a light bounce, man. A light bounce. And for this, like this effects, I did the same technique for each side of the lantern. So it depends also, as you can see. Wait, come on. As you can see, the light point, but the point light is moving the same as the camera was moving. It depends on the camera perspective because you can't just see freely like this because it's gonna gone. Look, it's gone. While if you looks like this, it's back. I hope you can find the difference. So let's me explain the other thing. Look, come on, let's see. Okay, now we need to see this is moving and this is also moving to a point like see. Look, right here is moving and this also slowly moving this side, but this side aren't moving because why? Because yeah, I guess it doesn't really affect. Look, it's moving. So again, it depends on the perspective where you place the camera, where you looking to the object, how you angle was looking to. It also depends. It's not 100% automatic, because this was created hard. Man. It's simple, but to explain this with my Wiki language, English language, is a bit hard. So yeah, I hope this can help you guys about the latest video. I'm explain why I did not record an explanation about this video once is because now I'm not in a good situation because of the pandemic coronavirus. Like you guys don't need to care about that. Yeah, I just want to share you guys why I'm very in activity. I'm just post a recent video that I can post. But hopefully my subscribers increase a bit, not as fast as before. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this can help you guys, and I hope you doesn't confuse on what I'm just explaining to you guys because really, I guess it's my first time to explain and record at the same time. Unlike before I'm using my local language, Indonesia, but now I'm using English language. So if I have a bit grammar or something, yeah, I don't know how to fix it. Maybe it's just need practice. Okay? So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.